some hairstyles today.
Yeah.
One of those styles is a summer style, and we have some accessories up here to just show you what hairstyles would go with accessories. We're going to be showing you some quick, easy hacks that you can do for hair. We'll be showing you some for today. You may not know these, or you may know these hacks, but we're just going to be showing a few for today.
Number 1.
So the first hairstyle we are going to do will consist of just hair bands or scrunchies. And if you're doing this with your own hair, we recommend you do a comb and you need a comb and hairspray. And for the other thing that we're going to use is we're going to use a head bow.
How do I pick up a small?
First step, take a small amount of hair from your crown and tie it in a ponytail on one side. Then do the same to the other side. Pull on the rubber band to loosen it a little. Part the loosened hair into two, enough to fit a couple of fingertips through the center. Tuck the ponytail under, pull it through the parted center. Step 4, tighten the ponytail. Step 5, flip it over. This hairstyle that we did is good for if you don't have clip-on tails, or if you just don't like clip-ons. You can just use the wig hair and it's good for that, or if you're using your real hair. Hairstyle number 2. For hairstyle number 2, we are going to be showing pigtails or ponytails or whatever you want to call them. There are some little bows we're going to show, and we got other accessories. We have strawberries. You don't have to have strawberries. You can have any accessory you want, but we're just going to be using strawberries for this example and some bows. That example of styling with a mini hat.
And
I'm gonna help her with the pigtails. It's not even, but it doesn't matter.
Mommy, I love the pink.
The mini hat. Wow, so pretty, so pretty. This is the fixed version. We have this ponytail or pigtail or whatever you please to call them, a bit lower than this one. Try to put them as close as you can together, just to make it look a bit more natural to, I guess I would say. You're going to take the top hat, or just a mini top hat. Gonna put these down. The alligator clips. There's about 2 of them right here. You're going to take those, and I can't really do this, but I'm going to try at least. No. 1, 2. I have to get up front. And there, I guess that's good enough right now. This is just to show if you have a top hat, or I guess a hat. So you can show the top of it, the accessories, or if it even has, I guess, print or whatever you have on the top of it to show. But yeah, that's how you're going to do it. And the accessories that we have. Okay, now we got some accessories. We got the bows and the strawberries here, if you can grab them. And we're going to take them and put them on the hair. Ugh. Party girl.
Hairstyle number 3.
Okay, we're going to be doing a summer hairstyle since it's of course summer. The Lolita accessory that we're going to be using today is of course a headdress, and it needs to be a clip-in headdress. And the other things that we're also going to be using today are some bobby pins right here. You can use a scrunchie or a claw. Both of those options work. I do not recommend using these, and just use a regular scrunchie. After placing Shelby's hair in a ponytail, we flipped it up and pinned it to her head. Okay, so this is the complete of the summer style of its finish. But if you are using your natural hair, curly hair works best. Tease it and hairspray works best for this style. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. And if you enjoy our content, please subscribe. We much appreciate that. See you in the next video. Bye.
Matane!
Thank God the video's over.